Smearing rendered beef fat on your forehead might sound like a medieval recipe for a candle, but it is actually the hottest trend in skincare right now. This particular balm is causing a stir because it mixes that old school beef tallow with some very high-tech ingredients. You have got copper peptides, methylene blue, manuka honey, and vitamin E all thrown into one jar. It sounds like a biohacker's dream concoction for your face. People are flocking to these products because they want a return to nature, yet they still want the results of a science lab. The copper peptides are the big star here. They are known for helping with skin repair and collagen production. This is exactly why people are obsessed with them. Then you have the beef tallow. This is basically grass-fed fat that mimics the natural oils in our own skin. It sounds a bit greasy at first. However, fans of the product say it spreads like a dream. They claim it leaves their skin feeling incredibly soft and deeply moisturized. But we have to look past the marketing hype for a second. While some users report better skin texture and a healthy glow, we need to be realistic. There are big claims being made about fixing deep wrinkles and sagging skin. These are individual experiences and not a scientific guarantee. Your results will definitely vary. There's also a bit of a mystery surrounding the brand itself. When you look at the transparency of the website, things get a little murky. One reputation checker gives them a trust score of 60, while another is a bit more optimistic at 79. That is quite a spread. The ownership of the site is hidden behind privacy filters. They also use anonymous payment methods. This does not automatically mean it is a scam, but it should make you pause. You want to know exactly what concentration of ingredients you are putting on your face. Stability is another huge factor with peptides. If the formula is not stable, those fancy ingredients might not do anything at all. Some people are worried about the lack of independent testing data for the specific finished product. It is one thing to have great ingredients on paper. It is another thing entirely to have them work together in a jar. Customer reviews are mixed. Some people are absolutely in love with how hydrated they feel. Others are more skeptical because of the lack of brand history. It is a classic case of a trendy product catching fire before all the data is in. You have to decide if you are willing to be a bit of a test subject. If you have sensitive skin, you should be especially careful. Always do a patch test before you cover your face in methylene blue and beef fat. You want to make sure you do not have a reaction to the honey or the peptides. The blue tint from the methylene blue is also something to consider. It is a very powerful antioxidant, but it is literally a dye. The company says it blends in. However, every skin tone reacts differently. It is a fascinating blend of the ancient and the futuristic. You are taking the simplest possible moisturizer, which is animal fat, and boosting it with the latest peptide technology. It is a bold move in a crowded market. Just make sure you are doing your homework before you hit the buy button. Look for real feedback from people who have used it for more than a week. Look for any signs of skin irritation in the comments. The internet is full of these miracle balms that promise to turn back the clock. Some are total gems and others are just clever marketing. This brand sits right in the middle of that conversation right now. It is not confirmed as a scam, but the trust signals are definitely a mixed bag. Take your time and look at the ingredient list one more time. Your skin barrier is precious. You should treat it with a bit of healthy skepticism before trying the latest viral trend.